Welcome back to Cars Zilla, your ultimate destination for everything about the cars of today and tomorrow. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of the decade, the 2026 Lucid Gravity. This luxury electric SUV is set to redefine what we think about performance, technology, and sustainability in the automotive world. The Lucid Gravity is the second major offering from Lucid Motors, following the success of their groundbreaking Lucid Air sedan. While the Lucid Air turned heads with its blend of cutting-edge technology and luxury, the Gravity aims to dominate the electric SUV segment by combining versatility with unmatched performance. At first glance, the Gravity boasts a design that screams sophistication and innovation. Its sleek, aerodynamic profile, sharp LED lighting, and bold front grille give it a commanding presence on the road. Lucid has paid meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every curve and surface enhances the vehicle's efficiency and style. Now let's talk about performance, because the Gravity is no ordinary SUV. Lucid is expected to equip it with its state-of-the-art electric drivetrain, promising power figures that rival some of the fastest cars on the market. Early reports suggest multiple powertrain options, with outputs ranging from 600 to a jaw-dropping 1200 horsepower. And with Lucid's advanced battery technology, the Gravity could offer a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. With an all-wheel drive configuration and adaptive air suspension, the Gravity is built to handle a variety of terrains. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road adventures, this SUV aims to deliver a driving experience that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. Step inside, and the interior feels like stepping into a first-class lounge. The cabin offers a seamless blend of luxury and technology, featuring premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and an expansive glass roof. The Gravity's infotainment system will likely mirror Lucid's industry-leading interface, with a massive touchscreen and advanced AI for intuitive controls. Lucid hasn't forgotten about practicality either. The Gravity is designed with families and adventurers in mind, offering 3-row seating and ample cargo space. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a road trip across the country, the Gravity ensures you have room for everything and everyone. ASE Lucid pushes the boundaries of EV technology. The Gravity is also set to come with cutting-edge autonomous driving features. With enhanced safety systems and over-the-air updates, this SUV will be as smart as it is stylish. The 2026 Lucid Gravity is shaping up to be more than just a luxury SUV. It's a bold statement about the future of electric vehicles. Are you ready to experience the perfect blend of power, performance, and prestige? That's all for today on Cars Zilla. If you're as excited about the Lucid Gravity as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.